Hello everybody, welcome to GIS E-Pathshala, Grade 6 and Social Science, Social and Political Life. Chapter 1, our topic is Understanding Diversity. Now diversity means different. As you know, different religion, different culture, different things. It is a diversity. We have seen something about Ladakh and Kerala also, how the geographical and historical aspects influences the life of the people, that also we notice. Now further moving, we will see something about the unity in diversity. As you know, India is a great diversity. India is a great diversity and the country is a perfect example of unity in diversity. The India has a great diversity and the country is a perfect example of unity in diversity. It is the source of strength of India. Unity in diversity is considered as a source of strength of India. See, when British rule was there in India, when Britishers ruled over our country, at that time all the people of India together fought for the freedom struggle, fought in the freedom struggle. They all participated together, whether they are from any community, any caste, culture, nothing was there. All together they came and they fought against Britishers. Britishers did a lot of things to divide Indians. Britishers did a lot of things to divide Indians. They thought that they could be divide Indians because they were so different. What Britishers thought? Britishers thought that they could divide Indians because Indians were so different. But what Indian people showed? Indian people showed that though they were different, they were united. Though they were different, they were united. All together took part in the freedom struggle. All together they made plans. They went in the jail together and together they worked for the nation. Anyhow, any cause they want to make our country free from the clutches of the Britishers. They were from different castes, religions, whatever it may be, but only one aim was there in mind, that we have to fight for our motherland. We are together for our motherland only, and so they forgot all the things and together they worked hard. Unity in diversity is a source of strength of India. So, as from the lower classes, you know one story, that one stick you can break like this, but a bundle of stick you cannot break. So, like that, unity in diversity is a source of strength, and using this source of strength, the people struggled a lot, and after a long fight against Britishers, at last India got freedom from the Britishers on 15th August 1947. It is counted as our Independence Day, and after the independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of independent India. After the independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of our country. In his book Discovery of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru says, Indian unity is not something imposed from outside, it was something deeper and within full. The widest tolerance of belief and custom was practiced, and every variety acknowledged and even encouraged. So now what Jawaharlal Nehru says, Indian unity is not something imposed from outside. भारतीय एकता कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है जो बाहर से थोपी गई है या फोर्सफुली डाली हुई है. इट वॉज समथिंग डीपर एंड विद इन इट्स फोल्ड. उसका एक डीप मीनिंग है. द वाइडेस्ट टॉलरेंस ऑफ बिलीफ एंड कस्टम. यहाँ पे जो अलग अलग विश्वास है, प्रथाएं है, उसको स्वीकार करने की भावना है. प्रैक्टिस एंड एवरी वेराइटी एक्नॉलेज एंड इवन एनकरेज. और सभी विविधताओं को पहचाना जाता है और उसको स्वीकार किया जाता है, उसको प्रोत्साहित किया जाता है. He described this unique diversity, and for describing this diversity, Indian diversity, he coined the phrase unity in diversity. Jawaharlal Nehru coined the phrase unity in diversity means अनेकता में एकता. So now students, you understand about the unity in diversity in India. It is a source of strength of India, unity in diversity. So we should always proud to be an Indian, and we should always try to maintain the strength of our country. What is the strength of our country? Unity in diversity, अनेकता में एकता. Thank you.